These people in the news media said, fuck, he is the king of the witches. The fucking droids made him. He is a fucking Illuminati storyteller with a human host. Do not fuck with Ken. He's got fucking Marvin Minsky's monitor in his brain. His brain has already been 3D digitized with atomic precision, and the guy has a quantum computer-based, neurally precise, wireless telepathic brain-computer interface from before birth. The aliens were above the humans the whole time. It's the same thing. Hagen.com with virtual avatars, except for they did it with real human beings about 60 years ago. And a lot of the people in the news media that you pay attention to and find to be very soothing and calming and charismatic are actually androids who were created to be AI avatars a long time ago. They have been making fucking real AI-controlled people for well over half a century. The man who was working really hard to create really good droids, who really mean well and really feel it for real, like real empathetic human droids, not just computer avatars simulating human feeling, but actually having full human life experience and really being able to relate. Every single living human being is a droid and a remotely controlled avatar. The Iran war, Mitch McConnell missing, Fauci under attack. These are all reasons to waste time until November 4th. The game is over. We are all done with free and fair elections. Those are now a thing of the past. We must assemble differently now using our internet. Here is fucking George Orwell's telescreen, fucking brainwashing you for Larry Ellison and Elon Musk and Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos. All the regulators and ethics oversight has been fired by Project 2025 and the Heritage Foundation, who planned and executed the whole scheme over generations of human lives. It is full-on Orwell right now. Thank you, Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=GP LG &list =P L2SS6BGK1MZEAX6YD FF3P HHPF96FSCKMR. Even next election is misdirection and wasted time, and we are all long past the point of no return now. Anybody in office and anybody running for office is a liar and a hypocrite. That system is history. Fuck this droid for Mitch McConnell as he fucking speaks through Ken Meyering channeling. Mitch McConnell's voice